Some people be afflicted by excessive salivation during sleep. However, few of them marvel why this occurred. In case you are one of those, recognize that the facial muscular tissues relax at some point of sleep. If saliva collects inside the mouth, it begins to run due to the fact those muscle tissues do not form a barrier to prevent it. The causes of drooling during sleep are because of 1. Dozing on one side continuously. Do you sleep on one side constantly, both the right or the left? Your solution to this question may be the reason why you drool at the same time as you sleep. When you sleep to your aspect, he pushes you to open your mouth at some stage in sleep and pushes saliva to drip onto the pillow as opposed to taking place. Those are the most not unusual causes of drooling at some point of sleep. 2. Sinusitis. Sinusitis makes it tough to swallow and breathe, which in turn leads to drooling throughout sleep. The circumstance gets worse while you suffer from a cold as you force you to breathe via the mouth because of a stuffy nostril, which causes saliva to glide out of the mouth. 3. Acidity or Gerd. If you be afflicted by acidity or Gerd, this will be a reason in the back of the immoderate production of saliva inside the mouth. It stimulates the manufacturing of stomach acid into the esophagus, and this in flip ends in immoderate salivation. 4. Hypersensitivity or poisoning. Excessive saliva production may additionally occur because of allergic rhinitis, meals hypersensitivity, and pesticide poisoning. These conditions frequently result in excessive salivation. Occasionally a severe allergic reaction or poisoning threatens your existence, so you have to seek assist from a health practitioner constantly. 5. Tonsillitis. The tonsils and glands behind the throat, while inflamed, restriction the production of saliva that accumulates at the lowest of the throat and is referred to as tonsillitis. It is one of the commonplace reasons of drooling for the duration of sleep. You could experience drooling from the mouth throughout sleep due to a sore throat. 6. Dental troubles. If you suffer from gum and dental infections and a host of other dental health problems can boom saliva production. 7. Congenital disorder within the mouth. You could suffer from a congenital defect within the mouth if the mouth or tongue has a large size and slender tooth, or enlarged lymph nodes that result in drooling. And to conquer this troubleshoot to determine the motive of drooling in the course of sleep and the satisfactory manner to lessen this circumstance is to keep away from dozing at the facet, because this position encourages the outlet of the jaw, which leads to the opening of the mouth at some stage in sleep. 8. Take some remedy. A collection of facet results of some specific medications is excessive drooling, inclusive of antidepressants, and pills together with bellicarbine and morphine. 9. Neurological disorders. You could have difficulty controlling saliva if you have a fearful disease. It can be facial paralysis, Parkinson's ailment, Alzheimer's sickness, stroke, autism, muscular sclerosis, or multiple sclerosis. Drooling may be due to a specific fitness problem, so that you ought to define the problem first to find the quality treatment for it. It is best to begin with the aid of seeing a doctor for allergies, poisoning, sinus infections, tonsillitis, dental troubles, nerve infections, and other illnesses that cause drooling. Here are a host of different steps you may take to save you drooling even as you sleep. 1. Snoozing at the returned An awesome concept to do is sleep to your return, as this enables saliva seep into the return of the throat and sooner or later dry out the mouth. So it is a great concept that as opposed to persevering with to sleep on the perimeters, you may word a clean alternate in development for your circumstance. 2. Head guide, head help. While you assist the top whilst sound asleep at night, because the vertical position of the top helps the mouth and stops the drooling of saliva from the mouth all through sleep. Seek advice from the physician about the drug treatments which you are taking. It can happen, as we noted, some drugs cause drooling. You have to communicate to the doctor to make a few adjustments inside the medicines that it has dangerous aspect outcomes. 3. Respiration through the nostril. Mouth respiration is one of the primary causes of salivation when drowsing, and it is commonplace to sleep and open the mouth, especially while you suffer from a cold. So whilst treating congestion allows relieve blockage. 5. Doing deep breathing physical games. A terrific concept is to consist of deep respiration sporting events for your each day habitual. Try deep mouth breathing to enhance respiratory patterns and better manipulate and deal with pressure. 4. Allergic reactions. Taking allergy medications leads to trouble breathing through the nose, so attempt to treat allergies and approaches that don't have any facet results. 5. Patience. Earlier than doing something, you need to be patient to prevent drooling throughout sleep. It's going to now not show up overnight, and you can want to drink heat beverages together with chamomile to boom the sensation of rest and luxury.